It's crooked. Good morning, everybody. It's us again.
Morning. We're crooked. We think we're crooked.
Yeah, so here we're going to...
Yeah,
there we go. Oh, my goodness.
Welcome back to Sew with Susan 2026, also known as American Patchwork and Quilting's Fall Quilt-Along.
There it is. Happy Catterday. Oh, here, make that crooked too.
Hope you guys had a productive week, found your fabrics, and got some cutting done.
Mm-hmm. So, I'll show you the cuts. I have my cuts all labeled, which I strongly recommend. I put a post-it note on each stack that said how many I need and what the size was. Because it is just really, well, it gets to be a mess if you don't have them. Like these little guys, these little 1 1/4 by 1 1/4, you can just lose them. So those are all stacked up there in my little project pack here. So for now, I'm going to make them go away, I think. We don't need them again, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just do that.
Ooh!
That's right.
That's
going to be good.
My fabric would have gone flying on that one.
It's going to be all good.
Gotta be quick.
Yeah. So yeah, hope your cutting went well. I can certainly reiterate that there was a ton to do. So, but
yeah,
it's good.
She cut for a couple of days.
Yeah, I did. Took a couple of days to get that all cut, but it's worth it because now it's ready. All I have to do is just pick the pieces that I want to do.
There you go.
So, this week we're going to talk about units 3.
Unit 3?
Somebody give me a beer. Unit 3 and Unit 6. So, for those who do not remember...
Do you want me to hold
this
it up?
one? Sure. This guy with the yellow, which is the original in the pattern. This is the Unit 3. Let me double check that. Yes, this is Unit 3. In the book pattern, this black that I've chosen is your green. Okay, it's your green star print. And then Unit 6 is the red one, and again, the black that goes around mine is your green star print. So, just a couple things I think to say about the piecing. I did put together 3 blocks, or 3 units, sorry, just to kind of show you what the finished block is going to look like. When we do get to Unit 10, that's the piece that's going to go in here. Okay, but for now, obviously, I don't want to get ahead of us. There you go. Vanna zoomed again. So what you're going to do to make this piece is, and this is, I'm just going to talk about this because this is kind of the most important part. I think it's the most finicky part. You're going to take one of these 1 1/4 squares and you're going to attach it to the corner of the cream 2 1/2 by 3 1/2 rectangle. Make sure to draw your line, because if you don't draw your line, you may stitch the wrong direction, which I did yesterday a couple times. And then you're going to take the 2 1/2 by 2 1/2 square and you're going to attach it on the other side. And you're going to make opposites. So if you take a look, this block here that I made has the small triangle on the left side, and on this one it's on the right side. So you're going to make mirrored images. Okay, so that's pretty much about how the layout goes. There we go. What I would recommend is be very careful when you're stitching, because it's easy peasy lemon squeezy to lose this point. It's gonna sit when you lay it out. It's gonna sit over 1/4, but it's really easy to lose it. So you just want to be careful when you're stitching that. So maybe give it a shot of starch. If you do lose your point, we have, well, anybody has, I guess, easy seam tape, otherwise known as binding tape. Just put a little piece of that on where you may have lost your point, or where you think you may lose your point, or where you're going to be a really scant 1/4, down to maybe a scant 1/8 or something, I don't know.
Itty bitty little seam.
Yeah, and just cut a little piece, put that on, press it, You adhere it by pressing. There's a rough side and a soft side. So yeah, just adhere it by pressing, and that will save your seams. And so to make sure that you preserve your points, because this is all stars and points and things. You don't want to be losing those, or I don't.
No, absolutely not. No.
Yeah.
No, I mean, occasionally you're going to lose a point a little bit, but we try to save them, and when that happens, that seam tape is a miracle worker.
Yeah.
I've used it many times.
Same.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's I think that's it for today. Next time we're going to be doing the Unit 10, which is the one for everybody else that has the teal in it. And the other green, not the red star green, but the other green that you have. And then that's what's going to go down here. So that's for our next week. And then once you've made those, we're going to be putting these blocks together. So by the end of the week next week, we should have a whole collection of, well, in my case, well, maybe your case as well. We're going to have yellow, red, and mine is going to have some purple in it. But you'll have teal, and the block will be complete. I'm not sure. Yeah, there it is right there. This little block here, I'm going to zoom as much as I can. It's on page, here, where am I? Can you tell them what page it's on? Because I lost
on page
my
33, right there. This is our fancy zoom again.
Yeah, Danica zoom.
Okay, so this week was week 2,
yeah.
August 20th to 26th, making units 3 and 6, which you just seen here.
Yeah, so I'm going to be continuing making those units and getting ready to get going on my Unit 10 and then put these blocks together. And next week we should have that to show you.
Exciting.
Yes.
All right, everyone. Thanks for joining. Make sure to share your projects as well and to tag us at #SewWithSusan2026 or #Claire's Corner. Thanks and take care.
See you.
Bye-bye.